Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yaku right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to make taskbar icons bigger in Windows PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Windows PC. So with that being said, let's get started. So just like what you see from the bottom side right here, you can see by default my taskbar icons here are very smaller. So for us to make it more bigger, what we need to do is to simply come to the Windows PC environment, simply right click, and this is going to pop up. Then navigate to personalize, and in a few seconds everything is going to load up just like what you see right here. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply go to taskbar right here, click on that, and it's take you right here. And the next thing you want to do is to simply go to where you have use small taskbar button. So simply turn it off. And with that, your taskbar icon become more bigger. And from here, you can navigate easily from your taskbar. This is how to simply make your taskbar icon bigger in Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.